Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing Rick from The Walking Dead. All right, we're going to draw a big old bucket head here and a little body because we're going to be doing a caricature. And man, he's been on the season a long time. All right. So, I'm going to put his eyes about here. Okay, I know where things are going. So, please use your pencil. Don't be mean to yourself and try to do it with marker. We're going to start here with some real squinty Rick eyes. Kind of Clint Eastwoody. Just like that. Little pupil in there. And then we're gonna do some real furrowy eyebrows. Those darn zombies, they just keep on a-coming. And we're gonna put some little eyebrowy kind of lines. There's his eyelid. Okay. There's where his nose is. Just like that. Yeah, just furrowy. Make my day. Kind of Clint Eastwood. All right, then I'm going to do kind of some nose lines, a little bit, nose lines. And then he's got kind of a nose that goes down. There's the holes. There we go. Just like that. And his lip here. There's his top lip. There's the top of his bottom lip. Just like that. Maybe kind of come down a little bit. There we go. And then we got a little beard thing here going around his lip. Beard thing going around his lip here. All right, and then this is the beard on the top, well, the mustache part of the beard. And then we got the beard that just kind of crawls up the side of his face. And then we got some ears coming out here. And some more ears coming out here. He's got two of them. How many ears does he have? Oh, Rick, you poor thing. All right. And then, oh heck, let's just finish the bottom of his beard down here. And it just zigzags its way up. I suppose, you know, in the apocalypse, when the zombies are all over, you just don't have time to shave. Can't find a razor for nothing, except to kill zombies. And then we're going to just draw his gorgeous curly locks. Coming all the way around here. Just like that. That helps to have hair, yeah. And then here's his hairline. Like that. And then, of course, you know, you got your little, fancy curl. Comes out and around. Okay, just like so. And then here comes his body. Teeny tiny little neck. Little t-shirt. Here's his arm. And his t-shirt. on your arm. There's his hand, finger, finger. There's his shirt. Don't want to be naked. And then we're going to have his t-shirt coming here. Coming back around. And then he's going to... Oh, his t-shirt got a little ripped up here, I guess. Just like so. And then we got straight arm. Straight arm. And then we got finger. 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 These are bent. Well, pinky finger. And then this probably isn't school appropriate, but you know, he's a zombie hunter, so we're gonna give him a gun. Now maybe in yours for school you could I don't know, maybe put a bat in his hand or something. I don't know, don't get yourself in trouble, that'd be for sure. Yep. There's his gun for killing zombies. His arm goes across. There we go. And then here's his little knife pouch for when you run out of bullets and you still gotta take care of the zombie. They are relentless. At least the zombies in this show are slow. Now in the new show, The Last of Us, is that what it's called? They're fast. Them clickers are fast. That'd be hard. Hard to get your clicker. They'd be just like charging at you. Rah! There we go. And we'll put him on the ground. And there you have it, Middle School Art Maniacs. Rick, give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching.